Welcome to WFHpreneur. I'm pleased to provide you with an honest review of GetResponse. We have been utilizing GetResponse for many years in our own campaigns, so we are very familiar with this powerful tool. GetResponse touts itself as an all-in-one online marketing platform with a broad selection of features like automation, CRM, landing pages, and webinars. But how does it fare as a newsletter tool in particular? Can GetResponse effectively manage your email marketing, or is it simply a jack of all trades? Let's explore and find out. Before delving into details, a brief remark about pricing. Every single plan, including the free plan, offers unlimited emails to the users. Although the email marketing plan provides a decent variety of features, those seeking marketing automation or e-commerce marketing capabilities will need to opt for plans with higher price tags, such as the more expensive marketing automation plan or the e-commerce marketing plan. Thanks to the quick actions available in the dashboard, navigating GetResponse was mostly hassle-free, allowing me to easily access the necessary sections. To access a feature, simply click on it. GetResponse has recently launched a new AI email generator that helps you say goodbye to writer's block. This is powered by OpenAI's latest GPT technology, which helps you craft emails in just a few seconds. Simply select the AI email generator option. Then you can input some details about what your email is about. What kind of business do you have? Who is this email for, and what kind of email is it? Click Next. Then you select how you want your email to sound. In this example, I want the email to sound convincing. Click Next. Then select your column layout and color preferences. Click Generate. Then the AI will work and gives you a draft that you can do the final edit before you launch it. As you can see, GetResponse AI has generated a good welcome email in just a few seconds. You can try the AI email generator by just registering for a free GetResponse account using the link below. There is no need to enter a credit card, and you can try GetResponse during your 30 days trial period. No software is perfect, and GetResponse is no exception. Now let's examine and take a closer look at the pros and cons to give you a complete picture of GetResponse. Pro 1: Crafting emails is so easy. With GetResponse, users can craft eye-catching emails with ease. The wide range of templates makes it easy to create a professional look, while the drag-and-drop editor enables you to customize emails to your branding. You can even find and reuse design elements from earlier emails that have been successful. The new AI email generator also helps you craft emails in just a few seconds now. It's simple to make your emails stand out, even without design experience. Pro 2: GetResponse Good Deliverability Rate. The success of any email marketing tool is determined by the deliverability rate, the proportion of messages that reach their intended recipient's inbox. GetResponse comes with a remarkable 99% deliverability rate, a result of 2 decades of building a strong rapport with Internet Service Providers, ISPs. This is one of the factors that makes GetResponse one of the preferred email marketing software in the market. Pro 3: High-grade Autoresponders. The automation of GetResponse lets you focus on the more strategic aspects of your business. Its easy-to-use automation builder lets you customize pre-built sequences or develop your own from scratch. Pro 4: Live Chat. Adding a live chat button to your landing page or email messages is one of the features to help you to interact with customers or prospects in real time. Pro 5: Easy to use. GetResponse is a superb choice for those new to email marketing. The uncluttered dashboard and user interface are straightforward to navigate. It also provides a useful guided onboarding process with video tutorials to guide you through your first email campaign. Plus, its email and landing page templates and drag-and-drop builder make creating emails and pages easy. GetResponse has 24/7 chat support with reps who are knowledgeable, helpful, and responsive. So, no matter if you're a beginner or an experienced user, you can get the help you need anytime. Pro 6: List Automation. GetResponse alternatives such as MailChimp and iContact do not offer the advanced capabilities of GetResponse's marketing automation. One of these features is the ability to create segments across multiple lists. This allows you to track the behavior of subscribers across multiple lists and build one segment from their actions. Pro 7 Funnels. The power of GetResponse also lies in its ability to be more than just an email marketing tool. It provides an automated and personalized solution to setting up various funnels, including opt-in, lead magnet, sales, and webinar funnels that are ready to use. Automation is essential for scaling up personalization. Pro 8 Top-notch analytics and reporting. GetResponse provides superior analytics and reporting with its tracking tools for email recipients and website visitors. You can tailor reports to individual subscribers' actions and even build up detailed profiles to aid in creating more specific campaigns. With its email analytics, you can gain valuable insights about your campaigns, engagement, and audience preferences. Now, let us look at the cons of GetResponse. Cons 1. Not easy to edit on mobile. Many GetResponse customers mentioned in their reviews that using the editor on mobile is difficult, and aside from making basic changes, it is unlikely that one would be able to edit landing pages while on the go. Despite this, the GetResponse mobile app is still very capable of displaying progress and analysis of campaigns. Cons 2. Limitations of email marketing plan. Removing automation features from the email marketing plan was much to the dismay of longtime customers. In order to utilize the sophisticated automation and segmentation features, clients must upgrade to the marketing automation plan, which costs approximately $59 per month and accommodates up to 1,000 contacts. Cons 3. Limitations of webinars. The features of webinars offered by GetResponse are advantageous, however, the recording time allowed is limited. We can only run live and paid webinars on the more costly marketing automation plan and above. Conclusion. This GetResponse review shows that the marketing software provides both the features and ease of use that many other newsletter tools lack. We appreciated its automated list management, its flexible and intuitive automation workflows, and its responsive templates. While the editor can be tricky to use, there's an app for iOS and Android that allows users to track, send newsletters, and answer live chats from anywhere. GetResponse has a wide range of powerful features, such as landing pages and webinars, and offers high scores in most areas. GetResponse offers a versatile package to fulfill most small business email marketing needs and can be an effective part of your overall email marketing strategy. Feel free to try GetResponse through the link below. See you again in our next video.